Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Yung mga naghahanap, single detach. Okay? As in, paikot yung ating setback. Okay? Detach siya, detach. Nasa gitna po yung mismong bahay. Sige, papasukin ko muna yung loob ha. Ikutan ko muna para sa inyo. Galit. Laki ng parking. Ito lang sakyan, kasya. Pakita ko muna. Okay. Mamaya tayo papasok dyan. Papuntahin doon sa... pwede naman, paikot. Okay, pero ito talaga yung access. Okay, so meron din access for PWD. Ayun yung rampa, nakikita nyo. Then ito yung hagdan papunta sa main entry. Okay, so to parking. So ito, lanay area. Ito tayo sa service area. Medyo makikalat lang ha. Kaya dami, dito na ako papasok. Dito na ako papasok. Okay lang oh. Si Kaya Doming, yung ating caretaker. Ito yung kanina. Okay, so ito yung main entry ng property or ng house. Okay, so let's begin. Yung loob ng property, ayusin ko lang ha. Ayan, sorry, gaano yung camera ko. Okay, so living area and then dining area, access doon sa ating lanay area. Okay, yan yung sliding door, pupunta doon sa ating lanay area. Then ito yung ating kitchen area. Alright, so mamaya papasadahan ko yan. Ito muna yung ground floor. So check nyo. Yan. So living area, dining and kitchen area. Right? So obviously, dito ilagay na ref. Then meron tayo ditong guest room. Or pwede rin pang senior. Then ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Actually, common toilet and bath. Okay, so one more look. Tayo second floor. Yung lot size natin dito, 189 square meter yung lot size natin. Okay? 189 square meter. So dito second floor, meron tayong common toilet and bath dito. Second floor. For 2 bedrooms to kasi yung master's bedroom may sarili naman toilet and bath. Okay, so first bedroom, provision for a window type aircon. Okay. Then yung built-in cabinet. Actually, lahat naman ng bedrooms. Master's bedroom natin, meron din. Okay. So second bedroom. Alright, second bedroom natin. Siyempre, meron ding built-in cabinet yan. Then ito yung ating balcony. Right? Dito mo tayo sa balcony bago natin pasukin yung ating master's bedroom. Okay, then ito yung ating view. Right? Dito sa balcony. And then, last part is yung ating master's bedroom. Ito yung kaibahan, yung master's bedroom, may private bathroom siya, right? So ito yung kanyang private bathroom. And mapapansin nyo, naka-shower enclosure na rin po yung shower area. Okay? Ayan. Yung price, yung full details, isasama ko sa posting. Pakitignan na lang po sa may description. Alright, so that's it. Maganda to. Isa po to sa winning property ko dito sa may Antipolo. So if interested kayo, mag-message kayo. Yung number nasa screen. Available yan mobile, WhatsApp, or Viber po. Pwede. Alright. So again, my name is Vin of NC Harrison Properties. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.